Today we're going to talk about steady beat. Steady beat stays the same. It does not get faster. It does not get slower. It stays the same. So please repeat after me. Be ready to clap. Steady beat. Your turn. Stays the same. Steady beat. Stays the same. I have a drum. Kind of a big drum. And my big drum is going to help me keep a steady beat. It's not going to get faster. It's not going to get slower. It's going to stay the same. It's staying the same. It's not getting faster. It's not getting slower. It's a steady beat because it stays the same. Okay, if I just did that that would be kind of boring. Which is why I have some movement cards. I have, let's see, slide like a snail. Ooh, can you try that? How do you slide like a snail? Slide like a snail. Slide like a snail. Slide like a snail. Ooh. Hop like a bunny. Huh? I got that one. Okay. Flap like a bird. That one's going to be arms, right? Got it. Okay. Creep like a caterpillar. You are trying these with me, right? You're not just watching the crazy lady do this by herself. Get up and try them with me. Peck like a chicken. Oh, okay. Chicken wings. Peck like a chicken. Ooh, got it. Okay. Jump like a cricket. Got it? This one makes me happy. Walk like a dinosaur. Here we go. I'm going to pretend to be a T-Rex. So here are my T-Rex arms. Yeah, okay. And then march like an ant. I'll pretend I will have more legs than I do. Okay, so now that we have tried all of those, I felt a little silly because I didn't know how fast to do them. You know what I think would help is if I had a steady beat. Oh, hey, I wonder how that works. So I am going to choose a card. I'm not looking at them. I will let you look at them. Let's see. Close my eyes even so I'm fair. Ooh, creep like a caterpillar. And every time you hear the beat, you are going to creep like a caterpillar. Do you have your space? Are you ready to creep like a caterpillar? Here we go. Every time you hear the beat, the steady beat, you are going to creep like a caterpillar. Here we go. Creep, 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 creep. What if I stopped? Do you think you should stop creeping? Yeah, probably, right? That makes sense. Creep, creep, creep. So freeze. When you don't hear the drum, freeze. Creep, 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 creep. Okay. Now let's try a different one. La 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 la. Hop like a bunny. Ooh, that one's fun. So every time you hear the steady beat, hop like a bunny. Here we go. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 and stop. One more for today. Let me mix them up. La la la, mixing them up so you can see them and I can't. Are you hoping that I'm going to pick a certain one? Walk like a dinosaur! I hope your Tyrannosaurus Rex walk is ready, or maybe you know a different dinosaur and you want to walk like that dinosaur. We're going to walk like a dinosaur to the beat. Here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Did you freeze? I hope you froze. You should be walking like a dinosaur again because we're back in the steady beat. When am I going to let you start again? I don't even know. And stop. So we didn't get to do all of our movements. That would take a while. But if you would like to flap like a bird, or peck like a chicken, or slide like a snail, or jump like a cricket, or march like an ant to your own steady beat, you can. We are going to continue doing more things with steady beat, and I hope you had fun moving.